Oral-B Interdental Toothbrush Starter Kit 3 Snap Lock Heads. Effectively cleans around bridges, braces, and wide interdental spaces. The Oral-B Interdental Brush System provides effective cleaning around bridges, braces, and wide interdental spaces, helping you to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Oral-B 3D White Vivid 4D Soft Manual Toothbrush with remove surface stains with every brushing. Polish your way to a whiter smile every morning with the Oral-B 3D White Vivid Toothbrush. Uniquely designed with polishing cups that surround each tooth to clean deep, the 3D White Vivid Toothbrush also has a power tip brush head to get into the tight spaces of your teeth while still being gentle enough on your enamel. Using the indicator bristles, you can ensure you are using your Vivid toothbrush to its maximum effectiveness, while getting a whiter smile. Brush away surface stains with the Oral-B and 174, Advantage and 174, 3D White and Trade, Vivid Toothbrush. Designed to help you get the most out of your whitening toothpaste, this manual toothbrush is equipped with special polishing cups that work to whiten teeth by removing stains. Use as part of your complete dental health regimen. Why use a whitening toothbrush? A whitening toothbrush such as the Oral-B Advantage 3D White Vivid Toothbrush allows you to gently polish away surface stains and get the most out of your whitening toothpaste. The Vivid toothbrush even has a unique polishing cup bristle design that helps maximize the effectiveness of your toothpaste. It cleans and whitens your teeth, leaving you with a brighter, whiter, healthy-looking smile. Reach Total Care Floss Clean Toothbrush Soft Fluos. Designed handle with a soft thumb grip for improved control, scientifically angled neck for better access to hard-to-reach spots, and tongue cleaners. It is ideal for people who want their toothbrush to supplement their flossing. The slimmer tipped floss bristles are ideal for cleaning the tight spaces between the teeth and around the gum line, while a specially designed cleaning tip reaches behind the back teeth to help remove plaque. Arm & Hammer Kids Spin Brush, My Little Pony Powered. Arm & Hammer Spin Brush Kids toothbrushes have smaller, soft bristle power heads to fit smaller mouths. They also massage gums, fight cavities, and promote a lifetime of happy, healthy brushing. Travel Toothbrush by Unido Pocket Size Toothbrush. Cool product, works great, but feel nervous throwing it in my camping pack. Plastic is brittle. An aluminum or SS1 would be perfect.